I'm a mum to 4 children and a dog, and I've set myself a mission to get my whole house decluttered in 30 days. And I've turned this into a series. So there's already a few videos in the series if you want to go and check those out. I'm starting off by decluttering my clothes. So I have done a clothes decluttering video and I'll link that in my description box. But I've still got a few things to declutter. So I want to go through. I've taken everything out of my wardrobe now. And I want to try and be as minimal as I can, because I do find that since I've minimalised my wardrobe quite a lot and I've got more of a capsule wardrobe now, it's so much easier to get dressed in the mornings. It gives me less choice, and plus also I seem to have more outfits because my clothes mix and match together much more easily now that I've got less colours, less items in my wardrobe, and also just the things that are my favourite and the things that I reach for the most. So I'm going to go through my jackets. I got quite a few jackets here. One of these, this one I got from Vinted. I love this, it's so cozy. And then I've also got a new winter coat that I got from Vinted as well. I'm definitely going to keep that because I love it. I've got a couple of my favourite sweatshirts. This one is a supply and demand supply and demand sweatshirt, and I love this. It is my favourite. That's going back in my wardrobe. I also love this cardigan. It's a khaki cardigan. I do wear a lot of khaki now because I know it suits me. I got this from Vinted. It's just a short bomber jacket. I also got this one from Vinted. I love these sort of satin feel bomber jackets. I just think they go with loads of outfits, and because they're quite muted colours as well, they just go with loads of things. So yeah, I just love those, so I'm going to definitely keep them. And then I'm definitely keeping my favourite hoodie of all time. This Nike hoodie is my favourite, probably one of my favourite pieces in my wardrobe, to be honest. So those are going back in. I've also got this hoodie, and I do like this. I wear this to the gym, so I will keep that. I got this cardie. I love this, one of my favourite cardies, and I love the colour on that. So this baby blue colour really suits me. And then I've got this jumper. I love that too. And I don't just wear this to the gym, I wear this out of the house as well. I think it looks really nice with leggings, gym leggings, joggers, jeans, all sorts. So I really like that. I do like to have a sweatshirt and not just have hoodies. My light has just gone off. So if you've seen a temperature change, it's because my light's just run out of battery. And I have got quite a few hoodies because I wear them a lot. So this one's a little short or a little cropped basketball one. And then I've also got this. I got this from Vinted recently. It's a little varsity jacket from Bershka. I was saying Berkshire all the time, and then my niece told me off. So I'm gonna pop those back in my wardrobe along with these things as well. And what I like to do is I like to put things in colour order. So I put all my black hoodies and my black jackets together, then I'll put all my blue things together as well. It just helps me with picking my outfits, because if I feel like wearing a black pair of jeans with something blue, then I can just quickly find something blue. I just find it works so well in my wardrobe like that. Although it can be a bit of a faff taking everything out of your wardrobe, I do find sometimes it's easier like this, because you can one by one grab each item and have a good feel of it, a good look of it, a look at it on its own. This is one of my favourite recent purchases. It's a play suit, and it's my going out play suit. I love this. I think I got this from ASOS. And then I love this as well. I think I got this from Next. Beautiful, flipping love that. Love that dress. That's one of my going out dresses. This is my favourite. I've had this for a few years now, and it's from Oasis, but it's a play suit. I blimmin' love that. And then I also, this is a recent purchase. It is quite short though. I'm gonna have to wear really thick leggings with this. It's from Miss Selfridge. I think I got this from ASOS as well. It's a little cream dress, and it is not see-through or anything like that, and it's just a really lovely shape. So I would wear that with really thick tights. I've got some really thick thermal tights which are not see-through. I'd probably wear a pair of shorts underneath it as well, just because I like to be a bit modest like that, and I am getting older. Yeah, I'm in denial though. I still feel like I'm like 30 odd, to be honest. Then I've got a couple of going out tops. This one, I've only wore it twice, but to be honest, I do love it. And this was a Vinted find as well. I also got this, I also got this, a little peplum top that was from Vinted, and it's one of my favourites. It's a stretchy peplum top, just goes so nice with all sorts. So I will keep that. And then I've also got a silky feel blouse or little cami top. To be honest, the straps are really long on it, so I haven't worn it yet. And I have been umming and ahhing whether I should sell it and to be honest. I'm not going to go to a seamstress and have it adjusted, and it just doesn't, I don't know, the fit on it just doesn't look right on me, so I probably will sell this, although it is a shame because it was about £30 and I haven't worn it. So, but what's the point in keeping it in my wardrobe if I'm not going to wear it? It's just sitting there just because I feel guilty over the price that I've paid. So I'm going to declutter that. I'm going to actually sell that back on because it is quite a new purchase and it's brand new, so I can get some money back for that. I've also got a couple of jumper dresses and cardigans, and I've been through these and I'm not going to declutter them because they're all my favourites. Scarlett's doing a snow angel at the moment. I got my girls off on their holidays. I've also got a couple of long sleeve dresses, and this dress here, I'm not sure about it. I put this in my recent decluttering video and then I put it back in my wardrobe, but to be honest, I haven't worn it since. So I am gonna declutter that as well, so that's going. And then I'm just gonna have a look through. There's only 3 pinafore dresses in here, but I wear them all the time, so I'm not gonna declutter those. There's a t-shirt. I was thinking about putting that under my bed. Yeah, I will. I'll put that under my bed for now because it's a summer thing. I took 3 jersey dresses out of my wardrobe as well, 3 short sleeve jersey dresses, and they're going under my bed as well. It just means I have less in my wardrobe, so I'm not having to squash all my clothes together. And then this was also a recent purchase from Vinted, a little top. It cost me £2. Okay, I found some things that I'm going to declutter, and I am being really ruthless because I just want last choice in my wardrobe. And I'm just thinking of the things that I don't reach for that much. Things that have gone a little bit threadbare, things that have gone a bit see-through, things that are really worn that I've had for years and maybe they're just not looking the greatest. And also things that I don't feel that good in. I put this in my recent capsule wardrobe video, and to be honest, when I looked back at it, I didn't think it looked that great on me. Also, because I've had it for such a long time, I've had this for years, it's gone really misshaped and also quite see-through as well. And I've noticed that the collar is gone a little bit grubby and just like grubby looking for some reason. So I'm going to declutter that. This is one of my favourite colours that I used to wear, but I don't know if it's because I've changed my hair colour. It just doesn't suit me anymore, so I'm going to declutter that one. I'm also decluttering this. So this was in my recent decluttering video. And I did put it back in my wardrobe, but I'm being ruthless, like I said, so I'm gonna declutter that for definite now. I'm also decluttering this. This was one that I tried on, then I decided I just don't wear it enough. Although I do love it, I'm not gonna wear it enough. I literally wear it for like a day a year. What's the point in it? What is the point? I'm not going to declutter my red jumper. This is quite a new purchase of mine, so I am going to pop that back in my wardrobe. I love that. This literally was my only red thing in my whole wardrobe. And then this, I was unsure of last time, but to be honest, it is so bright. Honestly, people can see me a mile off. So although I do like it, I got that blue jumper that I prefer much more, and I've got quite a few hoodies in my wardrobe, so I'm going to declutter that as well, so that's going. Some of that I can resell. I'm also being really ruthless with these 2 items. So this was a purchase from Vinted, and I was going to go and have the straps shortened because the straps are a little bit too long and also the sides are too wide for me. It is a beautiful dress. It looks so nice on me, but I just can't be bothered to go out and have it tailored. So it cost me £5, so I'm going to resell that on Vinted. And then I'm also going to sell my jeans. Although they're so comfortable, they keep falling down on me. I don't know if it's because I've lost a bit of weight on my stomach, but they're just not looking right on me. And also I purchased a new pair of jeans that I like better, and those are so comfortable. They're Dr. Denim jeans. So I'm going to be ruthless and I'm going to resell these. These are mum jeans. And here's the pile of stuff that I'm decluttering. So that's quite a big pile, and it literally took me about 15 minutes to do this, so not long at all.